Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. In today's video, we will be exploring how to fill series in Excel. Whether you are working with numerical values, dates or any other sequential data, Excel make it easy to generate a series quickly and efficiently. So let's start learning it.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
To begin, select the cell where you want your series to start. This could be any cell in your worksheet. Now if you want to fill a simple numerical series such as 1, 2 and 3 and so on, you have two options. The first option is that you type some numbers and then select them. Put your cursor on the bottom right corner and as it changes to the fill handle, simply drag and drop it to the bottom. It will automatically populate the rest of the series for you. Alternatively, you can use the fill series feature provided by the Excel. This time you simply have to put the first value and then put your cursor on the bottom right corner so that you can drop it down, and then as you drop it down, a context menu will appear and you have to choose the fill series option. Excel will automatically generate the series for you based on the pattern it detects. Similarly, I can enter different name of the days, like for example I write Monday. So if I want that Excel write the other names of the days in the list below, so I just have to simply drag it down. Again, if I want to have the months of the year, I can enter it using this fill series option. If I have, like for example, the first quarter and want to fill the rest of the series, so you can see that first, second, third and fourth quarter. Similarly, if I have a series of the first day and I want to drag it down to the second, third, fourth and the fifth day, I can fill it like this. Or I have the year 2010 and I want to list the other years, drag it and then the fill series. So this is how you can use the fill series option in the Excel. Now what if you want to create series with a different increment or different pattern, or you want to customize a series in the Excel? Excel provides a solution for this. You have to go to the file option, then go to the options, go to advanced, then under journal we have edit custom list, and these are the different lists that are automatically saved in the Excel. So if we want to have a new list, so under the new list we can enter different entries, like I am writing east, west, north, south, and then going to click add, and this list is added in this autofill series in the Excel. Then I have to press OK and again press OK. So this list is added. So when I enter east and then dragging it down, I can see that the list that I have entered into the customized list, now I can use it in my data. As you can see that Excel intelligently generates the date series based on your selection. It takes into account the weekends, months with varying lengths and even the leap years. That's it for today's video on how to fill series in Excel. We have covered filling numerical series, creating custom series list and generating date series effortlessly. Excel offers a wide range of options to help you save time and increase your productivity. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.